I'm going to cut the red pepper. Now you've got 3 pounds of ground beef. You're going to have a heated pan and put the ground beef in. You're going to break the ground beef up. So it's easier to cook through. As you're cooking the ground beef, just keep moving it around. Yeah, you need to get it all to the dark brown colour, which means it's all cooked. Every now and then you have to stir it. Keep mixing it, try and get the raw beef to the bottom of the pan so it cooks. Now you're going to need a colander, and you're going to drain the ground beef off. Try not to waste it like I just did. Okay, now you're going to get your onions and peppers, put them in the same pan. Don't have to clean the pan. Use the fat from the beef to cook the onion and peppers up. Gradually keep stirring the onions and peppers until they start browning. It's going to take maybe 4 or 5 minutes to get them cooked. Okay, now you get the ground beef, add it in. Place them down the sides like that. Okay, now you're going to get your marinara sauce. Pour that in. Your pasta sauce. Then you're going to put a quarter of a jar of water into the jar. Okay. Now you're just going to slowly mix the meat in with the sauce. Careful that the sauce doesn't spit at you while it's heating up. Add salt and pepper and stir. Now you're just going to put it aside and wait. Okay, now fill the pan up to about here of the saucepan with water. Be cold water or hot water, doesn't matter because either way it's going to boil. You're going to put about 2 tablespoons of oil in, and you're going to let the water boil. Okay, make sure you put your water on a high heat to get it boiling. Okay, now you're going to get your noodles, pour them into the boiling water, both bags. Make sure you stir it every now and then, make sure the noodles don't stick to the bottom of the pan. Okay, give it one last stir, and then move it over to the sink. Pour into the colander. Pour the noodles back into the pan. Get the last one. And then you get your sauce. Pour it slowly into the noodles. Mix it all up. Once you've mixed it, get the cheese and add that in. And keep mixing. Get your noodle mix, pour into the pans. You most people will need 2 pans. Split it evenly between the 2 pans. Smooth it down, get it kind of level. Get your mozzarella, sprinkle over the top. Turn your oven up to about 380. Let the oven warm up. Get your tray, put it in the oven, close. And hey presto.